Let me show you what luxury for beard looks like.
Hello, so good afternoon. Welcome to Truefitt Hill, the world's oldest barber shop. This is Saili. How may I assist you?
Hi, my name is Saket. I have an appointment for a beard spa.
Let me check, sir. Yes, sir, I can see your appointment. Please come.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Please have a seat.
It begins with a proper cleanse using the number 10 scrub, gently massaged in using a soft silicone brush. The texture gently exfoliates the skin, while warm steam opens the pores and washes away all the buildup the week leaves behind. Then comes the hot towel with just the right amount of heat, wrapped perfectly around the face. Your skin begins to relax, your beard softens, and a quiet stillness starts to settle in. They follow it up with a few drops of beard oil, carefully massaged in using pressure point technique. Tension melts away, and the second hot towel seals everything in. In that moment, you sink into a state of complete relaxation. Next is the conditioner, blended with the oil and applied section by section. The steam helps it absorb deeply, hydrating the skin and softening the beard from within. After a gentle rinse and a cold towel to close the pores, the session is nearly complete. It all ends with a touch of balm or oil, just enough to keep the beard feeling light while giving it a clean, sharp finish. This is the difference between having a beard and keeping one.
They say first impression matters. I say make it with a great beard. Book your beard spa at Truefitt Hill today.